Alright guys, so it is Wednesday and I'm on the way to take the boat to Lake L, which I have not been to in quite a while. But I can't see without my glasses. Super. Well, anyway, I made a dolly that will go on the bottom of the boat and a strap that will go over it, so that way I can actually roll the boat and not try to drag it on the bottom. So it will go somewhere probably on the middle, and then I can pull the boat out, and then I can strap it and wrap it around, tighten it down, and then move it with no problems. But I can't really go anywhere without my glasses, so I gotta find them, and I will be on the road. I will see you at Lake L. Okay, I found them. You know, the cool thing about this boat is I can put it in the back of my truck, and the whole thing slides right in the back, and all I gotta do is open up that back part, and then she goes right in. So, on the road, and we're gonna eat some food when we get there. Maybe, we'll see. We'll see what time it is. But anyway, we're gonna get on the road and on the way. Let's go. The last, I don't know, 7 years I have fished on this holiday. I don't normally do too well with holidays, but being out on the water is probably the best therapy that I could ever have. So, yeah, I'm happy to be able to get out on the water and spend time with my family. So I made it, and here is how that dolly works. I have it on wheels with a strap going around, and it is extremely sturdy. I got bolts and sunk strap loops, so hopefully it should go forward and backwards. And the cool thing is I can slide it forward as far as I want it to go, but the dolly has to be put on in the air. If not, with one person it may be almost next to impossible. So we'll see how it moves. There we go. Whew. Wow guys, that dolly made my life so easy. If you have a drum boat and you want to see how I made that dolly, let me know. Leave a comment below and I will make another one. We're gonna go home, relax, chill, and we will get rigged and ready for tomorrow's video. See you later guys.